How to fix SuperDuper for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script to uninstall SuperDuper on a Mac, #bin/bash #stop SuperDuper if it's running pgrep SuperDuper. /dev/null, then echo stopping SuperDuper osascript quit app SuperDuper, by #remove SuperDuper application and related files echo removing SuperDuper sudo rmrf/application/SuperDuper. App rmrf/library/application/support/SuperDuper, /rmrf/library/caches/com.shirt-pocket.SuperDuper, /rmrf/library/preferences/com.blacey.SuperDuper. Plist rmrf/library/preferences/com.ShirtPocketnet.SuperDuper. Plist rmrf/library/save \application/state/com.ShirtPocket.SuperDuper. Asterisk echo SuperDuper has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if SuperDuper is currently running and stops it if it is. It removes the SuperDuper application from the applications folder. It removes the SuperDuper related files from the user's library folder. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_superduper.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_superduper.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_superduper.sh. Note that you will need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the SuperDuper application. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.